Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. My name's Sharon Holt and I'm the author of Te Reo Singalong books, and today I'm giving you a pronunciation tip for the word Pōhutukawa, which is well known as our New Zealand Christmas tree, our rākau kirihimete. It's also illustrated beautifully on the cover of and in the middle of our Christmas book E Hea Ngā Moe by the illustrator Deb Hind. But many people don't know the correct pronunciation of this beautiful tree. It's often pronounced as Pōhutukawa. So the kawa is pronounced correctly, but this can't be pa because it's P-O, and the O sound is or. So it's paw, and there's actually a macron, so there's quite a lot of emphasis there on paw. And then the hu and the tu. So this isn't the letter A here, it's the letter U. Pōhutukawa. Pōhutukawa. And it's a good idea to pronounce that correctly, as it is to pronounce correctly the names of all of our trees and all of our beautiful native birds and our place names. So Pōhutukawa is a great place to start at this time of year. Ka kite.